Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize TikTok Ads Manager for Shopify campaigns, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, log in to your Shopify account. From your Shopify dashboard, click on Apps in the left-hand menu. In the Apps section, locate and click on Visit the Shopify App Store. In the App Store, search for TikTok. Click on the TikTok app from the search results. Once on the TikTok app page, click the Add App button. Follow the prompts to install the TikTok app into your Shopify store. After installation, open the TikTok app from your Shopify dashboard. Next, click on Set up TikTok Ads Manager. You will need to log in to your TikTok. If you don't have an account, click on Create an Ad Account. Follow the instructions to complete your account creation. Once logged in, you will see a prompt to connect your Shopify store to TikTok Ads Manager. Click on the Authorize button to grant the necessary permissions. Review the permissions and click Confirm to complete the authorization. Your Shopify store is now connected to TikTok Ads Manager. You can proceed to create your first campaign. Select the type of campaign you want to run from the options provided. Follow the on-screen instructions to set your campaign goals and budget. Add your ad creatives and details as prompted. Once everything is set, click on Submit to launch your campaign. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized TikTok Ads Manager for your Shopify campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.